Why don't you read to me?
There once was a band of guardians. They come out when the sun goes down. They were attentive scouts who keep a lookout for anyone who needs help. Brave warriors who stop incidents before they happen. Above them, watchful protectors make sure everyone gets home safe. Crafty artists who make sure everything looks perfect before they break. And reliable handymen who fix things before they break. You won't see them while you sleep, but by morning, you will know the guardians were there.